How to make a dressed omelet. Dressed omelets may look difficult at first glance, but they're easy to make if you follow the recipe and get the key points down. Key point 1. Weigh and prepare 90 grams of eggs. As someone who tends to be lazy, even I make sure to weigh this accurately. If you don't use enough egg, it'll cook too quickly, and if you use too much, it'll be too heavy and may break, so make sure to properly weigh your eggs. Next is the shape of the rice. About 150 grams will result in the best shape. Form a mountain with the rice. It's easier to make a rice omelet when you use a trivet. Key point 2. Preheating, the process of warming up the pan, is the most important part. First, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and turn on the heat to medium. Use vegetable oil since it provides a smoother texture than butter. Preheating times may vary by household, so remember the following sign. You'll know it's hot enough when it sizzles after applying a bit of egg with the tip of your chopstick. Be careful not to overheat though, as this can damage the frying pan. Now listen for that sizzling sound. Then slowly add the eggs in the center. Bring your chopsticks together from the edge and leave a 2 cm space in the middle before rotating the pan. It will tear if you fail to leave the 2 cm space. Then slowly rotate the frying pan in a circular motion. Keep rotating until the egg mixture is cooked. With the egg mixture cooked, it should slide out of the pan, so gently place it on top of the rice. Remove your chopsticks one at a time to avoid tearing. In case you don't have enough space to rotate the pan all the way around, here's an alternative method, although it's more difficult. Turn the pan slightly clockwise and the chopsticks counterclockwise. Let go of the chopsticks and re-grip them at the same time that you return the fry pan to its original position. Then simply repeat the process until the egg mixture is cooked. Next, place it on top of the rice as if sliding it out of the pan. Give it a try.